not water.
I know they're okay. Emirates is here.
Yo, you're trying to kill me, bro.
Yeah, then. What would you drink it?
I'm trying to get smart plate.
Where?
What would you get smart plate?
Oh, that's why the plate. Oh,
I can't do this, bro.
Come on.
Can you at least get water?
I thought this was water.
You're gonna get me really
Water
dry.
and that? Like, that's disgusting.
And I bet you put this much liquor in it.
I would like to say thank you to my mom, my sister, and brother Anthony, as well as to Zoe for helping me.
Oh my god. A lot of people call my name.
Hello, so much. Guys, my candy.
Is this the last time?
Get on the candy,
Okay.
boys. Get on the candy. I'm done.
Are you sure?
I'm done.
Are we booking that appointment?
She was just waiting for her.
Huh?
She was just waiting. Yes.
But are we booking that appointment? I have it on camera. I have it on tape.
I see. I thought to finish my speech.
She wasn't done, you guys.
I've come to realize that, you know, right now, today, the people in this room.
Oh God.
Are they really the ones that's there for you?
Are
Depending on the month of the
ones
year.
I can depend on and count on, and I must say, stay loyal and true. And true.
Most of the time. On my part.
But at the end of the day, no matter what Liquor did, everybody, shut up. Everybody, you know, we come together and you guys, you know, yeah, I don't want to cry, so.
Oh gosh.
Shut up. You know, the hormones. You know? But yeah, thank you guys. No problem.
No problem, Lorraine.
So feel free to drink and finish eating
And go home?
and be married and take your parting gift. One of them you can take one home from me and baby.
Okay. Yeah, I did. Hey, wait.
Slow motion.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
how much are you gonna dig out the cake like this thing?
Okay. Rum. Rum.
Not with the same knife. Ready? Smile.
Yes, rum, rum, rum.
Yay.
Do you know what that feels? Do you remember what that tastes like?
Drinking station.
Rum? No?
I will now.
Drink the big bottle.
I will. I'm about to.
Drink the little.
What you say, I'm okay.